Hi, in this video I will show you how to make your profile public on the Twitter. So the process is pretty simple. So if your profile is private on the Twitter and now you want to make it public, so you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Twitter application and log into your account to whom you want to make the public, and you have to click on the three lines on the left top and you will see your menu is here. Simply you have to click on the settings and the privacy, and now you have to click on the privacy and the safety tab on it, and on the top you will see a option like protect your tweets. Your toggle is turned on like this. Simply you have to turn off this toggle, and once you will turn off this toggle, your profile will be public on the Twitter. So in this way you can make your Twitter profile public. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.